In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the header and footer on Squarespace. By the end, you'll know how to tidy up your site's main navigation in the header and refresh the text in your footer so everything looks polished and easy to use. Start by opening your site in the Squarespace editor. From here, click Navigation. This is the central place where your site's pages and menu structure live. It represents what visitors see in your header and on mobile in the menu drawer. If your menu looks cluttered or out of order, this is where you'll fix it. Next, click on Edit Navigation. This opens a focused view of your menu so you can make clean, precise changes. You'll see your top-level pages and any nested items that form dropdowns. Think of this as your site's roadmap. The order here helps visitors find what they need quickly. Now, drag and drop to rearrange the navigation. Click and hold a page, then move it up or down to change its position. If you want an item to appear as a drop-down under another page, drag it slightly to the right to nest it. Keep your most important pages like Home, Services, or Contact near the beginning. Short, clear labels work best, and grouping related pages can reduce clutter. As you reorder, glance at your header to confirm everything looks balanced. Aim for a simple, scannable menu that makes sense at a glance. When your header navigation feels right, head to the bottom of any page and click Edit Site Footer. The footer is the persistent strip at the bottom of your site, and it's a great place for essential information that visitors might look for on every page. Then edit the text on the footer. Click into the text area and update what you need. This might include your business name, a brief tagline, a copyright line with the current year, or important links like terms and privacy. Keep it concise. The footer should be helpful without becoming a second navigation bar. Use consistent formatting and spacing so it looks clean across pages. If you include contact details, double check that they're accurate and easy to read. Small tweaks to alignment and line breaks can make a big difference in readability. That's it. You click Navigation, used Edit Navigation to refine and rearrange your header menu, then opened Edit Site Footer to update the footer text. With these quick adjustments, your site becomes easier to navigate and more professional from top to bottom.